Welcome to Chitrayan drawing class for junior. Today I am going to demonstrate how to draw side portrait. Before that I want to introduce my art materials. I use here some pencil like 2B or 4B and 10B for shading. Okay, if you are following this tutorial, you need to start with soft pencil like 2B or 4B on paper. You can follow my drawing step by step. Let's start. At first, we make a line with ruler. Then we make 2 points anywhere also. Then we repeat this same line here and 1, 2, 3. All part is same. Then we make a bow, convex line. Okay, this is our face and we start this line. Then we make a round. You can see here a round shape in the skull. Then we draw a plus sign and this is the jaw. And then the neck. Okay, this is the first structure of side face of human. Okay, step 1. Then I am start with step 2. This is the forehead. Okay, this is the line we used. Then we come inside and the second and third we go to, we make here 8 and going to the top of the nose we connect the line and the nostril. Then we make a curved line, then V and make the shape of S. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 lines are joined together. Gradually we are going to the final drawing. This is the level of eyes and this is the eyebrow and this is the lip. And I start with the level. We make here V, a V. Then we make in between U, again a U, again U. Then this is the eyebrow, end with this proportion. Now I am going to draw the lips, the upper lips and the lower lips. Now I finalize the drawing. I erase all the image, all lines, make final drawing in stage 3, the step 3. Then I draw the forehead, the border line of forehead or hairlines, and here the space for ears, the level between eye and nose. We know ears. Okay, I think I finished my sketch of her portrait. My only advice to practice every day with drawing and color as much time as you can spend because practice makes a man perfect. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this tutorial, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming video and press the bell icon. Your support will encourage us to produce new variable instructional video. Again, thanking you very much. Keep supporting us. Have a nice day.